guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so another Fortnite dance tutorial for you guys. This time it's the Lazy Shuffle from Season 7. Thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you Gamer24YT for being the first one to request. Alright, so let's get started. So shuffling is basically just doing a lot of subtle jumps. And it's the same case with the Lazy Shuffle. You're actually doing a lot of jumps, but they're not that visible, so you're not jumping like this, but you're just jumping here on the spot without lifting the jumping foot a whole lot. Now the dance is 32 steps in total, so I will be going through the dance a bit quicker than I normally would, but you know, you can always rewind or you can change the tempo, the speed of the video, if that's what you need. Alright, so we're gonna say stomp with our left, we're gonna say 2 times stomp. Now we wanna prep, take it back, and then we wanna cross over to our right side, and then swing it back over here. And notice I'm open here before I was closed. Open, now I wanna say bring it down. Yeah, so just the left leg, saying stomp, stomp, prep, up, out, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stomp, stomp, prep, over, back, down. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stomp, stomp, prep, over, out, down. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stomp, stomp, prep, over, back, down. Alright, so stomp, stomp, crossover, back, down. Now from here, I want to do prep, and now I want to say jump, kicking my right to the right side. Boom. So I went from here, left goes down, and at the same time I want to kick my right to the right side. And I'm basically doing a jump, so notice when I'm exaggerating, I'm doing bend, up here, yeah? Just as you're jumping like this, and I just say switch to the other leg. Now it's much more subtle when it's shuffling, so it's whoop, you almost don't see the prepping here. So whoop, now I want to do the same to the other side, to the left side, and now I want to bring this down, whoop, and right goes up, and then I want to say stomp one time. So let's do the new part again. From here, you want to take your left and go swing, swing, up, down. Yeah, so we're doing 1 swing, 2 swing, and the last one is transition to the next one, which is taking your right up and going strong. So from here, let's go slow. 7, 8, we go swing, swing, up, down. Again, slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing, swing, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing, swing, up, down. 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing, swing, up, down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing, swing, up, down. Okay, let's just do a quick recap so that we don't forget the first part. We're gonna go stomp 2 times, then we're gonna go cross, back out, down. Now swing, swing, up, down. Let's try again slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, stomp. Prep over, back out, down. Now swing, swing, up, down. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go stomp, stomp, prep over, back out, down. Now swing, swing, up, down. Now if you're not ready to move on, feel free to practice this over and over until you get it and then move on. So after swing, swing, up, down, from here you want to say stomp again, and now you want to say jump. You're taking your right crossing over, and at the same time you're also saying jump. Yeah, so going from having all the weight on my left to now having all of my weight on my right. So I'm saying stomp and jump. Let's just practice that. We're gonna say stomp and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp and jump. So stomp and jump. From here we want to swing our left over to our right side, and then we want to say jump again. So let's just do stomp, jump, over, jump. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, jump, over, jump. Again, slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp and jump and over and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp and jump. Notice that my left is back here. Then I'm saying swing and jump. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, jump, over, jump. Okay, so stomp, jump, swing over, jump. Now from here we want to say stomp with our right here on spot, and then we want to say take it over to our left and say jump. Let's just do that. So we're gonna say from the new part here, we're gonna say stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp, jump. Again, 7, 8, we go stomp and jump and swing and jump and stomp and jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go stomp, jump, swing over, jump and stomp, jump. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, jump, swing over, jump and stomp, jump. Now from here we want to say swing with our left, and now we're gonna go back here and say stomp. So let's just repeat from the beginning here. Stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp, jump, swing over, and stomp. Let's just try that again. So from here, stomp, jump, 7, 8, we go stomp and jump, swing over, jump, stomp, jump, swing over, and stomp. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp, jump, swing over, stop. Alright, now the good news is that the rest is actually just repeating it from the start until you do the spin. So actually let's just take it back to the beginning. So we'll take it back from the tip top, and I'll do a quick recap. So 2 stomps, up with our left, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go stomp, stomp, swing over, out, down, prepare to swing, 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 up, stomp, stomp, jump, over, jump, stomp, jump, swing over, stomp. Okay, let's try a bit slower. So stomp, stomp with our left, 7, 8, we go stomp, stomp, swing over, out, down, swing, swing, up, stomp, stomp, jump, swing over, jump. Now stomp, jump, swing over, stomp. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, stomp, swing over, out, down, jump, swing, up, stomp, stomp, jump over, swing, down, stomp, jump, swing, stomp. Alright, now for the rest of the dance, the part that you need to repeat is stomp, stomp, over, out, down, swing, swing, prep, down, stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp. And now here when you jump, you say round, up, down. Yeah, so let's just go a bit back. Let's say from here, when you do stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp. Now when you do this jump, you're sort of turning at the same time, so you're doing it while you're jumping, jump, and then you want to swing this leg, so it's left leg, swing it around, down, and then repeat, doom, doom. Alright, so let's just try that last part again. So from stomp, jump, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp. Now turn, swing, down. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp. Now turn, swing, round. Alright, now let's do the whole thing from the tip to top. So quick recap, we're going stomp, stomp, swing over, out, down, swing, swing, up, down, stomp, jump, swing over, jump, stomp, jump, swing over. Now repeat from the beginning. Boom, out, down, swing, swing, up, down, stomp, jump, swing, jump, stomp, jump, around, down. Alright, let's try to do that super slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go stomp, stomp, swing over, back out, down. Now swing, swing, up, stomp, stomp. Now jump, whoop, swing over and jump. Now stomp and jump over and swing. Repeat the beginning and over, out, down, boom, swing, up, down, stomp, jump over, swing over, jump, stomp. Now round, swing, down. Alright, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, stomp, over, out, down. Now swing, 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 down, stomp, jump, over, jump, stomp, jump, swing, repeat, top, over, out, down, swing, swing, up, down, stomp, jump, over, jump, stomp, swing, around, stop. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the lazy shuffle from the game Fortnite Season 7. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.